Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. So this video is going to be basically an unboxing or me showing you two new pickups that I picked up from Amazon. So let's get straight into this video, shall we? Enjoy. So I'm going to show you the two movies that I ordered from Amazon. So here's the two movies right here. So starting off with this film that I watched back in the summer last year. This is Missing Link. Had so much fun with this movie. This was released back in 2019 and this is such a funny, just charming film, just so much fun, and I absolutely love it. And how they made this film as well, because they have like a thing at the end, like behind the scenes of this film. It's just crazy on how much work went into this film. Absolutely love it. It's so good. Just a really good, funny is it stop motion? Yeah, stop motion, like animation. This stars Hugh Jackman, who's the voice of this guy right here, and then there's the back of the DVD. I'll just zoom in for you if you want to read all about that and what the film's about, obviously, and then, you know, all the tech specs and then the special features are just all the way down there. So yeah, that is Missing Link. So let's unwrap this, shall we? Ugh. There we go. Get the plastic off and we're out of focus. There we go. Woo. That will go in the bin in a minute. So here is, there we go, Missing Link, which is really cool. And then there's the spine right there you go. There's the spine, the front, and then the back of the DVD. Just open it, there we go, there's the disc. Oh, some really nice artwork right there, which is really nice, of all the three main characters in the film. So yeah, very happy, as I said, to finally have this in the collection. I'm just so happy, so I can watch this all the time now. So that is Missing Link. Really good stop motion film. And then the next movie that I ordered from Amazon was The Darkest Hour. So I watched this over Christmas back in December, and oh my god, this film is just superb. It is honestly such a great film. Oh my god, it's just so good. Obviously it's about Winston Churchill, if I can speak today, during, is it World War II? I'm pretty sure. And oh my god, it's just such a superb film. Honestly, if you haven't seen this film, definitely go and check it out. This was released all the way back in 2017, and yeah, I got this on Blu-ray because why not? I just really wanted to get it on Blu-ray. So there's the front of the Blu-ray, and then there's the spine for you right there, and then there's the back of the Blu-ray. If you want to read all about the film, you can do, and there's like 3 special features on there as well, and then all the tech specs, you know, all the fun stuff there. And then the runtime at the bottom. I'm just zooming on the hang on, I don't know if that's going to focus for you. There you go. So just clear that up for you. There you go. So yeah, honestly, I'm so happy now I own this in my collection. I watched this film on Netflix. I don't know if it's still on there because they do remove obviously a lot of stuff off Netflix. They recently removed Friends off there, which I'm not very happy about. But yeah, there we go. That's also for the bin as well. So there's the Blu-ray in all its glory. So there you go. Just such a superb, great film, great acting as well. And then there's the disc right there, some really nice artwork as well right there. So honestly, just very nice. Blu-ray, very happy, obviously, as I said, to own this in my collection, and I can't wait to watch this again. So that is the two films that I ordered off Amazon. So I'll leave these links down below to these two DVDs, or DVD and Blu-ray, if you want to go and purchase them yourself. Highly recommend you go and watch these films, just really good. So that is The Darkest Hour and Missing Links. That is the 2 films that I picked up, or ordered, picked up, yeah, whatever, off Amazon. So yeah, that is it. Hope you enjoyed. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video and for clicking on it. I do really appreciate it. All of my social medias will be linked down below in the description box of this video. So that's my Instagram, my Threads, and my TikTok. I post loads of fun content over there, so if you do want to go and follow me, you can do. I love you all so much. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.